So I just got my packages. Ordered a couple cards. I started opening them already, and I was thought like, why not just make a video? So this one came from the Anime Vault. These people are like pretty good. I like ordering from them. This card I got, Power LSP. It's like number 42 out of 88. Hopefully it's pretty clean. I really don't want to touch it, get my fingerprints on it. But maybe I should cover that up. If you know what I mean. It's a pretty awesome card. And it came with a couple of freebies. Because I guess because I ordered a couple of cards from them. We'll cover that up. Yeah, these little explicit cards. Like these little waifu cards. Let me look at this one first before I put it on screen. The next one's going to be from Super Games. Let's see what we got from here. This one is Elemental Hero Voltage. Nice. Secret rare. You gotta collect the secret rare. And it's from the premium pack. Cool. Alright, the next one is from the Anime Vault again. I wonder what I got from them this time. Let's see if you forget what I ordered. Oh, look. Thank you for your order. I love when they send like messages like that. I just thank you. I appreciate them too. Let's see. Let's get the card out. I think it's another freebie. Okay. There's the card I ordered. It's a Power. I really love Chainsaw Man, if you can tell. And it came with a, let's make sure it's safe to show. I think it's safe to show. Still a little explicit, but SSR. Appreciate that. That is very awesome. I love when companies do that, show their appreciation, because I appreciate them and I will order again. And get the garbage out the way. This one, Rec TCG. Let's see, thing on the hood. Do I got a name? Well, no, it's working, so let's keep it. Basically, still got some drywall on it. Look. Oh, that's why I got some whatnot when I anticipated in the box break. And I got some Disney, what's it called? I forget what it's called. I got them Disney cards, and I pulled an Yzma. I was very happy about that because I love that show. And Namari. Where's Namari from? No, I don't know where she's from. I don't believe I seen that one. Got some other stuff. Just put on. What are these? Retigan. What are these? I think these are rare or something. They gotta be rares because she put them in the sleeve for me. But I'll look it up later. Because I just like heard about this and I'm like, why not? They started their own card game. It'll probably be big soon, so let's get in early before the prices, start fluctuating up. I don't want to catch them on the downtrend. I want to catch them while they low. Ooh, that's a nice card. Like it's part of a puzzle. That's awesome. There's Minnie Mouse, just Minnie, and 2 pictures of Minnie. I wonder what the whole picture looked like. Okay. That's just sad. Why they made her hair look like that? Oh, I got another piece of that puzzle. 2 more pieces of that puzzle. The same piece though. It's a mini puzzle, so I guess that was just her flipper. So, still missing. Yeah, still missing several more cards. Okay, let's go through it. I probably will sleeve these because I do believe in saving my bolts. Okay, so I see what these are. More rares, so put that right there. Let's see what these rares are. Great Mouse Detective. I don't know where Lawrence is from. Pack Tactics. What else to say? Oh, it's right here. It's invisible. Put these back in, keep them safe. Let's see what this guy's got. Anything good? Anything good? Okay, Merlin. That's pretty good. And it's a foil. And it's nice. I think I'm gonna sleeve this one. Sleeve all of them, honestly. Cause I think this is like their first set, like a playing card game. So this probably will be special. And let's see what this last card is. Got my username all on it. Don't copy that down. I think she said this is a legendary card. I need to research these cards a little more. But yeah, that's just what came in the mail today.